Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze PDFs using AI. So first of all, I have my PDF here which I want analyzed. It is basically a summary of the novel My Feudal Lord by Taimina Durrani and some highlights of the character of Mustafa Khar, which is a character in that novel. So now in order to analyze your PDF, first of all open up your browser. Then type in here chat doc, hit enter. Now after that go to this website right here. Now once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now once you've made yourself an account, you will be at this page right here. Now after that, upload the file that you want analyzed and make sure that it is in PDF form. So here my document has been uploaded and I have to wait for some time to let the AI analyze it first. And here is an overview of my PDF file that I just uploaded. You can read it as well. And in here, you can type in questions regarding the file that you want analyzed. Now first, let's start with a simple question. For example, where was the Mina born? And after that, just hit send. So here is its answer. Tahmina Durrani was born into a privileged and influential family in Lahore, Pakistan. So here it shows the pages from where it took the information from. For example, if I click this third number page, it took the information from these two paragraphs right here. It took the information from here, her most famous book, which was an overnight bestseller in Pakistan. So it took the information from there, and if I click on the second page right here, it says Tahmina Durrani was born into a privileged and influential family in Lahore, Pakistan. So it took the information from there and gave me the answer. Now let's ask a complex question. Whose autobiography author did Tahmina become? And then that just hit enter again. So here it gave me the answer again. Tahmina Durrani became the author of Abdul Sattar Edhi's autobiography, A Mirror to the Blind. Now if you click on these buttons right here, it will give you the part of the file from where it took the answer from. For example, if I click on 2, it will bring me to this page right here. Durrani worked with Abdul Sattar Edhi for 3 years and earned the chance to be the author of Edhi's autobiography, A Mirror to the Blind. So it took the information from here and gave me the answer. Now let's ask the final questions. What are the key points that highlight Mustafa Khar's character? After that, hit enter again. So here are the key points that highlight Mustafa Khar's character in Tahmina Durrani's novel My Feudal Lord. Persona: as a powerful feudal lord, Khar projects an outward image of power, dominance, and authority in alignment with societal expectations of masculinity. Shadow aspects: beneath his persona, Khar exhibits abusive tendencies, manipulative behaviors, and vulnerabilities that are repressed or hidden from the public eye. And here it gives the number of the page from where it took the information from. You can just click on it and it will take you there. And just like that, there are 3 to 4 more points. You can also ask it for a follow-up and you can give it feedback as well. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can upload your own PDF files to be analyzed by AI and ask the questions that are important to you rather than reading the whole PDF. So that's pretty much it, and hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.